channel. Guys, here we are. This video is really important for you guys. So I'm just gonna blabber at this. Just don't see. There is a new event in here, the chocolate hunt. You won't believe this. You have to complete all these and find these chocolates. Just don't care that dog. Let the dog die, the dog. It's whatever. Just complete these things. Take these chocolates and what this combat egg. It's like the tracker event, and what it is that we can win the lava grinder and this lava grinder, many armors and blueprints of the TONI or the Tony, whatever you can say, headgears, dress and all. Look, golden DBS4 whisper blueprints. Oh my god, look at that. Seriously, I can't believe they have put, and I'm sure these I just opened 2 packs. This TONI Tony, I just call it Tony. These Tony, I have 2 of them blueprints. I think each of the box will unlock this Tony blueprint, and if we open 25 of them, those compact eggs, we can unlock the Tony. Oh my god, what to say. Wait, and these things have a level also. I opened 2 of them. We have level 3 over here. Opening level 3 pack to get level 4 and increase your chances of getting rare items. We can have this. Oh come on, I can't believe myself. It is 0.06% of drop charge of these exclusive rewards. Oh my god. And if you open the first egg, you have 0.06% of chance to get the lava grinder. I know this is such a great thing. And how to earn this, I also don't know exactly. They have told that find PG and get chocolates and awesome rewards. Here, sorry, get you got the same thing over here, like the tracker event. See, there are these chapters, but I don't know what do we get. Whatever. Let's just go to that chocolate hunt, and but I don't know what do we need to do. Do we have to play these matches or what? I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna use my commander. As you know, I always use my commander. Oh, it's been a while playing in streets. Guys, you know, we can get the lava grinder by unlocking those packs. Oh, great. You know, if you guys were dreaming about the lava grinder, actually I was really upset that I didn't earn that lava grinder by that giveaway. As you know, I have told in my past videos, giveaway of the hybrid gamer. Yeah, from hybrid brain. No problem. Modern combat is wise. They gave us a chance of earning the lava grinder in such an event. How am I supposed to? What was that sound?
Stop shooting my fur. It's precious.
Wait, where is it running? Okay, I got 6 chocolate bars. Oh, everybody's here.
Hey, I'm not curious. I'm a Wagamore. Hey, no littering. Oh, it's great. Ah! Oh, that one hurt.
Sorry. Everybody's behind that. Wait, I'm gonna kill it. No, wait. I'm getting that lava grinder.
Hey.
Nobody's stopping me from getting the lava grinder.
Stop shooting my fur. It's precious. Hey, not the ear.
I got a lot of chocolate bars. Something like 30. Look, they just killed me and killed.
No
They're going
littering.
near that.
It's a
I'm
grenade.
gonna kill them.
Hey, watch the fur.
Just sorry for that sound behind me.
Hey. Please, Jesus Christ.
Whatever. What?
Oh, that one hurt.
And that
Let's took a miracle
bunny,
with these
that guy is
choppers.
speaking. Let's just go, he's behind over there. I'm going.
Ugh. Hoppity hop hop.
Oh,
Hey,
wait.
watch the fur. Hey,
That mistake.
stop
Sorry for
shooting
that
my
taunt.
fur. It's precious.
Come on, this chopper.
Oh,
Why
that
is
one
it
hurt.
me? No problem. Oh, complete. Yeah, our guy only destroyed that bomber. That's so good. We can be behind that bunny guy.
Ow.
Plus 2.
Almost took my ear off.
Wait, what? Oh, I got us. And everybody is behind that. Wait, where did it go? Did it die? Doesn't look like it's here.
Airstrike, find cover.
There's an enemy airstrike also here. Wait, our guy was inside. How did he die? Where did that Peachy go? Oh, I think that was a game or sometime it just makes all hits and wait, what? Again I hear that sound of talking. I think it's back. No, it's not back. Oh, there's a guy coming in here with a no. I climbed down. Oh, the guy under there. No. I'm not getting killed by you. Hey, who's this guy out there? I was under here. Where did he? Whatever. That peachy guy went away. That's how you want those chocolates. Okay, there's another guy inside. Let's just reload. I'll just reload. What are you trying to do? Who's searching for something or what? There's a guy up there. Gotta go. Wait, there's a guy also here. Let's first kill him because I'm No! Come on. This guy is a tracker. And I shot 3 of them equally, not 3 of them. Yeah. Okay, they are all together in here. You gotta take it. No! I thought I just passed. This guy's really fun. How much kill does he have? Oh yeah, he has much kills. Oh, there's a guy here. Okay. Just go silently in here. Reload our weapon. Because there are 3 of them together over there. Oh. No. Reload, fast, they are going. Wait, how is this guy coming here? Oh, no! Good headshot, man. Oh, great. Those are enemy turret in there. Oh, I'm gonna lose my rating. Come on, it's 7 by 10. Too bad.
We won the match.
Great. Wait, that's me? Oh, no. But wait. That's me. That's me. And there's some name other than... Wait, what? Some glitch is happening with me all. Oh, thank God. I got some rating in there. Oh, 237 chocolate bars. Seriously. I wanted it. Guys, that Mr. Peachy. He was just. And guys, I'll soon put the campaign mission also. We were on escape mission 3 and 4. Next, I'll put that mission 3 and 4, and yeah, I'll put it soon. There's some glitch happening in that. I have recorded a few times that mission, but the 4th mission is something is glitching in there. It's not working properly. So I'll just get that. Till that, I'll just put a few other videos about these events and all. Whoa! There are shields. Like the tracker class, those things were getting. We'll play another match. No problem. Like the tracker event, the tokens, you know, those tokens used to disappear. There's a timer also running there. That thing. I'm so sorry. This video, I just took this video for you because it is the lava grinder, guys. You understand this serious thing? It's the lava grinder. And in this event, you don't even need to use those credits. You get the lava grinder for free, actually.
Hey, watch the fur.
Oh, what's the fur?
Hey, nice ears with my eyes open.
Oh, that
Literally.
guy's having a
Hey. Oh, that one hurt.
That's the guy who-
Stop shooting my fur. It's precious.
No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Nobody kills me.
No
Oh, that's
litter. It's great. Ah!
sorry for this guy. I'm so sorry for that dog, guys.
Hey, watch the fur.
These guys are surrounding me. I'm so sorry for that dog. I just closed the door.
Oh, that one hurt.
So sorry for that
Stop
sound.
shooting my fur. It's precious.
It's precious, but we need
It's
your
not easy being
chocolates.
fluffy. Hey, not here. Hey,
I'm using everything I have.
hey, watch the fur.
That bunny sound. Wait, there you are. There you are.
You bring the carrot. I'll bring the
Oh,
stick. Stop shooting my fur. It's precious.
I just launched that bomb
not
on
easy.
one
Fluffy.
Oh, I'm too far away from it. But
No
still we
litter.
go there.
It's
So
great.
fast.
Ah! Hey, not the ears.
Yeah. Wait, what? No, it died. No. Oh, I just got
Enemy bomber.
Hey, that guy's using my gun. No. That's severances with our guy. Who is the stupid using my gun? Wait, what?
Drone active.
This guy has a lead. Was that an enemy bomber? By the way, it looks like it's finished. They're all around here. No, this guy has a severance but not a shield. He's healing others. So the guy with R.
Airstrike call.
No, wait, what? No, my pin got. Great. My pin just got a bit unstable. Wait, that's severance. How is he getting severance? Is he hacking in there? Seriously, let's just. Why did he die? No. Deaths are too much. No. I have 8. It was 7 before I died. 8 deaths. No. I have 8 deaths. No. I have 8. There's a guy in here. I just saw it. No, I'm not dying. I'm just whatever. That guy. Man, come on. Hey, how did this guy come here? Wait, how did he come here? Great. I just. Why I got a something like those? Whoa. I got 30 to 50 rate chocolate bars. Did I? Oh, 153. How did? Wait. How? Whoa, that was cool. Wow. I got 153. I didn't show you. I was dying. Great. This is so superb event. Actually, I should collect those chocolates which I had because I had collected more than 250 chocolates by Mr. What do you say? Peachy? Yeah, Peachy. Peachy, whatever. Okay, let's just go collect those 700 chocolates and the chocolates we got Actually, the pack is 2000. Yeah, you see, check it out. Yes, claim. What? Shoot Mr. Shoot Mr. Peachy 150 times. Huh? Okay. Let's see. This is a 2000. Oh, look at that lava crater. Oh, look at that lava crater. Okay. So we gotta shoot Mr. Peachy 150 times. Okay. So we get 900 and complete this mission, and we'll get 1,100. This makes 2,000. Okay, no problem. We have to do this event before all our chocolate just it just fades away. 50 of them. Good. Last time in the tracker class, what happens is I think it totally just disappears. Whatever. We have 47 minutes, so don't waste time shooting Mr. Peachy 150 times. 40 minutes. Each matches are 6 minutes, and if we see, everybody kills each other, we'll take. By the way, this video is too long, I think so. No problem, guys. Goodbye. Each match at least takes 4.5 minutes. We'll take 4 minutes. Yeah, we can maybe. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Good job.
Subscribe us.